For the best experience, please turn on subtitles while watching this video so you can easily follow the AI resources and prompt text shared throughout. If you'd like to copy the names of the AI tools and the text of the prompts featured in this video, just click the Show Transcript button below the video description and copy whatever you need from there. Starting a campground business can be a profitable and rewarding venture, especially if you're passionate about nature, outdoor recreation, and hospitality. The initial setup can feel overwhelming, but with the help of free AI tools, you can streamline much of the planning and execution. This guide will walk you step by step through the process, from planning to launch, showing you how to use artificial intelligence effectively at each stage. Step 1. Research and identify your niche. Start by understanding your market. Will your campground focus on RV travelers, tent campers, glampers, or a mix of all three? Use AI tools like ChatGPT to analyze market trends, customer preferences, and gaps in the local campground industry. You can input, ChatGPT, give me an overview of current trends and profitable niches in the U.S. campground business. Also, use Google Trends to search for keywords like camping near me, RV parks, and glamping to understand seasonal demand and regional interest. Combine this with AI-powered surveys using Google Forms and analyze the responses with Google Sheets' AI-powered Explore feature, which summarizes insights automatically. Step 2. Develop a business plan using AI. Once you've identified your niche, create a business plan that outlines your goals, services, pricing, and startup costs. You can use ChatGPT to generate your business plan draft. A suggested prompt is, create a business plan for a family-friendly campground offering tent sites, RV hookups, and glamping tents in the Pacific Northwest. This will give you a comprehensive starting point. Use Notion or Canva's AI business plan templates to structure and present your plan visually. Their free tiers allow you to insert sections for market analysis, SWOT, budget, and operations with AI-guided suggestions. Step 3. Conduct a location feasibility analysis. Finding the right land is critical. Use Google Earth to scout potential plots and Google Maps to assess proximity to roads, towns, and tourist attractions. Then use ChatGPT to help create a feasibility checklist with a prompt like, what factors should I consider when selecting land for a campground business? If you have specific properties in mind, ask, evaluate the feasibility of opening a campground on a 10-acre lot near Yosemite National Park, with no utility hookups currently installed. For zoning and permits, visit your local government website and use ChatGPT to summarize legal language. Paste ordinance text into ChatGPT and ask, summarize these zoning rules and explain whether campground use is permitted. Step 4. Plan the campground layout with AI assistance. Use free design tools like Room Sketcher or Planner 5D to create basic layouts of your campground, from tent plots to shared restrooms. For guidance, ask, ChatGPT, help me design a campground layout for 20 RV sites, 10 tent sites, and 5 glamping tents on a 5-acre wooded property. Combine this with environmental and safety planning. You can use ChatGPT to help you make a checklist. What are essential safety and environmental considerations when designing a campground? It will remind you about fire breaks, flood zones, septic systems, and wildlife management. Step 5. Build a budget and funding strategy. To estimate startup costs and operational expenses, use ChatGPT with this prompt. List all the startup and monthly costs for launching a campground business with 15 sites. Then, plug these numbers into Google Sheets and use its AI Explore feature to create charts and forecasts. If you need funding, ChatGPT can draft your pitch. Write a one-page investor pitch for a sustainable, pet-friendly campground near national parks. You can also use it to generate grant application essays, crowdfunding campaign text, or SBA loan application drafts. Step 6. Register your business and secure permits. Use AI to help generate your legal and administrative checklist. Try ChatGPT, what licenses, insurance, and permits are required to open a campground in Florida? If needed, paste information from state or county websites and ask ChatGPT to simplify it. For filing your LLC, use platforms like the IRS and your state's business registration portal. AI won't file forms, but can explain steps and deadlines. Step 7. Create an AI-generated marketing plan. Now, craft a strategy to attract campers. Ask ChatGPT. Create a digital marketing plan for a new glamping campground targeting millennial travelers. You'll get a full strategy covering website, SEO, email marketing, social media, and travel directories. Use Canva's AI design tools to create your logo, social media posts, and brochures. Canva's magic design will auto-generate branded content from a few keywords. For example, input nature-themed logo for a campground called River Nest Retreat. Build a free website using Wix's or WordPress's AI site generators. Ask ChatGPT. Write homepage text for a rustic campground that offers hiking, campfires, and mountain views. For social media content, use this prompt. Create a 30-day Instagram content calendar for a new campground business. Schedule your posts with tools like Buffer or Meta's Creator Studio. Step 8. Develop a reservation system. Use free booking tools like Square Appointments or Calendly to take early reservations. For a more tailored experience, use ChatGPT to write your site policy and FAQ section with. Write a campground FAQ covering check-in, cancellations, pets, and quiet hours. You can also integrate free Google Forms for site selection and email automation using MailChimp's free AI email builder. Step 9. Launch soft opening and gather feedback. Start with a soft launch for friends, family, or local influencers. Use ChatGPT to create a survey. Create a guest feedback form for a campground's soft opening, covering cleanliness, facilities, and experience. Then analyze the results using Google Sheets. Use its AI tools to highlight trends and areas needing improvement. Make changes quickly based on real feedback. Step 10. Scale and automate. Once running, you can use AI to streamline operations. Ask ChatGPT. Suggest AI tools that can automate campground reservations, guest communications, and social media updates. You'll get ideas like using Zapier to auto-email confirmations or ChatGPT to draft monthly newsletters. Consider adding chatbots to your website to answer FAQs or using AI-powered customer support like Tidio. For bookkeeping, use Wave, free accounting software, with automated invoice and receipt tracking. Conclusion. Launching a campground business can be significantly simplified and enhanced using free AI tools. From market research to business planning, from layout design to marketing, AI can act as a digital partner through every phase of development. By combining your passion for the outdoors with smart use of AI, you can build a well-planned, attractive, and efficiently run campground that offers great experiences and solid returns. That wraps up the video. Thanks for watching. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future content.